Hey everybody, it's Tuesday and it's 2 o'clock, and that means it's time for Crate Insider's Top 5 Tuesday. Well, I always like to kick things off by telling you what we're going to give away this week. And this week we are giving away a hat. As part of our live giveaway, we're giving away a hat from Friesen Chevrolet, Friesen Performance in Nebraska. They've worked with us here at Crate Insider since day one of Crate Insider. We've been working with Friesen Performance. Love the guys there. Love working with Al. And if you need an engine, especially if you need one with IMCA seals, they are a great choice for you. So while we're waiting for some people to roll in, I thought I'd go ahead and give you guys a little update on in case you missed it. So last week we posted a video where we were talking about Walker air filters and specifically how to oil an air filter, because it's a question that comes up quite a bit. And this one's still wrapped up, but just to give you an idea of what we learned in that video is, or like a little bit of a recap. So you've got your air filter, you've got your oil, and it would not be blue like this because you have it cleaned off, but then you want to just come down about a third of the way down and run a layer of oil all the way around the filter, and then do the same thing to the other side, and then just let it seep in for like an hour or so, and you'll be able to see which of those are the dry spots. So of course we sell the Walker air filters. They run $99. We sell the oil by itself for $19.95, and this is a 12-ounce bottle, I believe. Yeah, it's a 12-ounce bottle. Otherwise, we have a whole cleaning kit that can help you with where it's got a cleaner and it has the oil in it, and all of that together for $36. So that's just a little recap, and you can see it on our Facebook page or in our videos. I'll make sure that I've got a link to that video in the comments of the description, or if you're watching this on YouTube later, you'll see it in the info card right up here to be able to see that video. If you're just joining, what we're giving away today is we are giving away our hat from Friesen Performance. And to participate in our live giveaway, if you're new here, all you need to do is just leave a comment. You can say hi, you can leave an emoticon. I'd also love to see what questions you guys have that I can address in future videos. I mean, they might be full force videos just addressing that question, or if it's something small, it'd be something that I could pick up in one of the Top 5 Tuesday live videos. So love to see your questions so that we can get those answered for you. But with that being said, we can go ahead and jump right into Top 5 Tuesday this week. And in our number 5 spot this week is definitely a Top 5 Tuesday favorite, and this is our valve spring changing tool from LSM Racing Products. Now, I always like to bring it out in the box because I think it's so cool that we've got the foam lining, and so you've got a really nice place to store your tool. But this is the LSM Racing Products valve spring changing tool. It's solid. I mean, this is like solid. I think it's the 7061 or 6061 T6 aluminum. That's what I was trying to think of. But very solid construction, and of course we have a whole video showing how this product gets used. I did not bring out the speed handle, but the speed handle is a really handy way of being able to rotate this really fast as well. And so we do offer that as an option when you're buying this tool if you'd like to add the speed handle. And our LSM valve spring changer, it runs $212.98, and that is in the number 5 spot. In the number 4 spot this week is also a Top 5 Tuesday favorite, and this is Lube. I talked about it a little bit last week because it's not just good for racing. It's great for machinery and equipment. Basically anywhere that you would need to use grease, it's really a great choice for that. And for being able to precision grease your bearings, then we also carry it in a syringe. And it's a 1-ounce syringe versus the 16-ounce tube right here, or a 16-ounce jar. And the 1-inch syringe runs $16.99. Otherwise, the 16-ounce tube or the 16-ounce jar, those run $45.79. Next up, that's in the number 4 spot. In the number 3 spot is this product is always popular, and I worked hard last week. I was actually matching valve springs, is our 602 matched sets of valve springs. And a question that always comes up is, yes, these are genuine GM valve springs, so there's nothing cheater about them. They're completely legal no matter what series you run. The only difference is we go through hundreds of springs at a time, we rate them, we get rid of all of the ones that aren't going to make the cut, and then we repackage them. So you've got matched sets of valve springs. There'll be a bag for intake and a bag for exhaust, and nothing but positive feedback. You can see the reviews on our website, and those matched sets of valve springs run $99.75. Now, in the number 2 spot, back in Top 5 Tuesday, is our Crate Insider flat air filter lid. And this goes beautifully with our Crate Insider flat air filter base. But it's aluminum construction. You can see it's got a nice little groove in here, and the stud just goes, you know, right through here to keep a nice solid. I love the lip on here. So this lip, yeah, there you can see it. So the lip really grabs the top of your air filter so that it can secure it down. So it really fits on here very nicely, just like that. And that way you can secure it down and makes it really good. So that is our Crate Insider lid, and that runs $68.50, and that's in the number 2 spot. In the top spot, once again, our most popular product by far is our Crate Insider flat air filter base. Now we sell it with this seal that's on here. Some of these are a little looser. There we go. And it'll just pop right on and off. So when you get this, you'll probably want to silicone that on. But this way you can just go ahead and attach it right to the top of your carburetor, and you're ready to go. And this is going to fit any of your 14-inch air filters. So that is our Crate Insider flat air filter base. To the best of our knowledge, we do not know of a base that makes more power on a Crate engine than our Crate Insider flat air filter base. And that runs $99.50. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll over and see in the comments here if we have anyone with any questions. I don't see any questions. There we go. I see a couple comments. Thank you so much. And I'm going to bring up a random number generator. This is how I pick our winner each week. And there we go, random number generator. And what we're giving away this week is a hat from Freezing Crates, Freezing Performance. They're in Nebraska. And let's see, we've got comments. And there we go. So our winner today is Neil Morgan. So Neil, congratulations for winning this hat. All you need to do is please send me a private message with your address, and I will get that sent out to you. So in the meantime, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week, next Tuesday at 2 o'clock. And that was Top 5 Tuesday for May 22nd, 2018. See you next Tuesday.